Welcome to Alikare. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share the video because if you are watching it and you don't have this issue, then mean that somebody else out there need to hear and they can hear from you, and you will thank me later for feeling good by helping somebody by sharing out this video if you are already a subscriber. So why I'm going to use these ingredients, I'm going to start with nutmeg. Why I'm going to use nutmeg? Nutmeg reduce pigmentation in the lips. Like most people lips are not smooth like my own. Mine is not smooth. Sometimes you have 1 and 2 blackheads that will pop up here, and I'm telling you, one of the most painful things is to use the Commodone to squeeze a bump, or use your finger to squeeze a bump or a blackhead right around your lips. It's so hot, I'm telling you that. And most time people come to me for facial, it's unbearable, and then when you're using the Commodone you have to watch their teeth. So this remedy will help you to reduce all of that. Maybe you won't even ever get it right once you're using this. And the next thing again, what it helps to do, it give you smooth plummy lip. And I know some people is saying that whatever color you're born with, that's what God give you. And you know, I'm telling you, if you look at a newborn baby, the baby don't have all of these impurities on the baby. I'm telling you, this is not what God give us. Okay, so skincare routine is good for us. And why I said that is not what God give us, God give us our face, yes, and our body and our skin, but over a period of time, if you notice, you even have night fever, because some people when they're sleeping they drool, right? And that will help the lips. Those things need to come off the lips. Just washing your face alone, putting on some scrub on your face, you don't really concentrate on the lip area right here. And we ladies who wear lipstick and we like to kiss, it froth sometimes. Even some men when they drink or say, so the froth at them corner here, especially if they wear beard. And some ladies will wear lipstick, so when we talk sometimes you see the lip tip settle right here, and it's because of the grit and your lip not smooth. So everything just take it little time, make it way to the smooth corner for our lip, corner of our lips right here. So we want to get rid of that. We want to know that when we put on our lipstick, it just sits smoothly on the lip and it don't look gritty and look away, especially lips like mine. And if you notice on my lips, you notice it, look, I don't have on no makeup, no lip gloss. It's my natural skin, nothing is on it. See, nothing at all. I hope the camera can show it, right? I don't have on anything. All I do is just wash my face. And one of my morning segment, Deeper Than Beauty there, where I give you motivational topics and so forth to help you with your health and your body and so forth. If you look on one of those videos, I'll show you where my lips was tripping because I use a lipstick that I'm allergic to. So ladies, remember to also take in consideration that when your lips start cracking up, sometimes it's a lipstick or a lip gloss brand that is not working well with your skin. Okay, so we want this nice plummy lip, and we want, when we put lip gloss on it, even if the lip gloss go away before we get to reapply, we want our lips to still look good. And if we're home and we don't have on any makeup, we still want to look nice. All right, so this is why you're gonna do it. So I have 2 different methods. This is to get away pigmentation, to exfoliate, to make sure your lip is not dark, and it also take away soreness, and it helps to heal you and the blackheads and so forth. This is what this one is going to help you with. I'll do a next video if you want to tone it, but this also tone it because of the nutmeg. The nutmeg help to give you back your natural skin color. But if you know you want to go like an extra, you're going to have a next video for you. Okay, so comment below if you're just waiting for that video. So this is the nutmeg, and because I'm just gonna mix a little for the video, I'm just gonna use this amount of nutmeg, right? So you know why I'm using the nutmeg already. Reduces pigmentation and it take away spot, and it help you if you have any sore around your lips and so forth. The next one I'm gonna use is vitamin C. Hey guys, so let me tell you, before I go on to the second ingredients, I'm not saying that it won't tone it, because I don't want to start doing it and somebody saying, how your lips start looking so brighter than the rest of your face. It does toning, but not that much. Okay, it does tone you. So the next ingredients that I'm going to use is vitamin C. Why am I going to use vitamin C? Vitamin C is good for healing. So you know when you do that blackhead and you squeeze it out and it might leave a hole there, it will take it away. If you have night fever or anything like that, the vitamin C will help. You could use the vitamin C pill, or you can use the one in the powder. Because I'm going to drink the rest of it, so I'm not going to waste it. So I'm just going to put a little, the same amount of vitamin C to the same amount of nutmeg, right? So if you're wondering, if you're using a teaspoon, one teaspoon, when we mean by part, we mean any amount of stuff that you're using is 1 part to the same part of the other stuff. So it's 1 part nutmeg, 1 part vitamin C. Mix the two together. There's something else you could add in it, is sugar, but vitamin C already have sugar in it, so this is why I do not use any sugar, right? So if you're familiar with scrub making and they put sugar in it, this is why I'm not using any sugar, and this is how I'm mixing it. And the vitamin C, the vitamin C is good for healing and it maintenance of all of your, you know, those dryness in your lips. And remember, our body need vitamin C, so I mix it to see it start to have a sweat. This is how you know how much oil to put in there. Mix it out first. Mix the vitamin C and the nutmeg first. You see it becomes to sweat and have this wetness. This is before you put the oil in there. So vitamin C is good for you. All right, one of the next thing I'm going to use also is coconut oil. Now remember, there are 3 types of oil I recommend for this, right? I recommend olive oil, I also recommend blue seal Vaseline oil, and I recommend coconut oil. I am obsessed with coconut oil, so I will use coconut oil. And this is just same amount of ingredients to half. All right, so say you use one teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon vitamin C, use half teaspoon oil. Do you understand now? If you're using the oil like drops, like olive oil and so forth, just 3 drops in there. And see, because what happened, one of the reasons why you need the oil is to moisturize, because our lips some people lips are intended to be soft, right? And you don't want, when you scrub, it look dry, especially if your lip is already stripping. So the oil will help to moisturize it and keep it moist and soft. Okay, so now that I've mixed it, I'm gonna apply it on my lips. You want to do this as often as possible for best result, but I'm telling you, the first go you go right now, you will see result. All right, I don't even have a mirror in front. I'm just realizing that. All right, so oh, and it smells good, so don't eat it. Not saying that you can't eat it because it's coconut oil, vitamin C, but it smells so tempting to eat. So it's nothing to harm you. See, and this is why I mix this little, because it's just 1 liter. But if you're your girlfriend, them having a little spa day over, nightly sleep over, and you chatting and so forth, and chatting about makeup, this is a good thing for you guys to mix and just sit down and use, and you know. Okay, so the rest of it, I'm just gonna put it on it like this. After exfoliation, gonna put it on it, and I'm gonna leave it for a little while. So I'm gonna leave this for 15 minutes on my lip and then wash off. Yes guys, so I wanted to be transparent as ever, so I just wash it off. See, I'm all wet. I didn't use a towel to dry anything, so I'm just going to use the towel and dry. And if you notice, my lip is still stripping because, as I tell you, I do it, this is my third time doing it. So if you notice, I'm still having little strip because it's exfoliating my, taking off my dead cells off my lips. So you can tell me. And it's not 3 times as in 3 days straight, but yeah. So if you do it 3 days straight or for the week straight, you're supposed to have no issue.